working on a problem statement for long till you find a proper solution on a difficult problem statement for long. So those are.
So any particular personal qualities or problem-solving abilities that you value while hiring for such roles?
You might give up just before becoming Clint Eastwood, and then you might become no one, and then you might have just one small hill to climb, and then post that you could become even better than Clint Eastwood. So it's like you're climbing a hill, and then you might just give up just before you are. So perseverance is key, and so what we look for is sparks in their resume. So if you're asking me as a hiring manager, what would I look for? So every year I interview a lot of candidates. Yeah. So sparks in their resume. So basically, for example, I might be checking for what are your passions and hobbies and interests in life, and things which are your passions and interests, and then to what level of excellence, to what level of seriousness, to what level of have you pursued that? So if you say that, hey, XYZ was my hobby because my mom bought a particular instrument and then gave it to me when I was in class 8, I played it for 1 month and that's it. Then it doesn't showcase that you are like, you want to explore things to the final degree, right? So that is what is required, because it's not easy in our industry to find a profitable trading strategy, because things are not on the surface. You have to dig really deep. So therefore, what we look for are people who have showcased that means whatever they are interested in, did they pursue it to a very serious level of excellence? Did they pursue it to a very fine degree? If it seems that, okay, you have scratched the surface a lot of things, but they never pursued anything to a very high level of depth. Yeah, so that might be, so perseverance and then commitment to actually doing something, working on a problem statement for long till you find a proper solution on a difficult problem statement for long. So those are, I think you said personal qualities, right? Those are personal qualities that would, so you have to demonstrate that. So means I definitely do look for sparks in the resume. There has to be some spark, whether it is academic, whether it is personal, whether it is professional. There has to be some spark. It should not be a what do you call it? You can't be average everywhere.
Right.
So there has to be something which should make you say that, hey, wow, this is really great. I would have loved to do that. So if I have some time, I can give a small anecdote. So I'm sure you guys are running short of time, so I'll try to make it very quick. So I read this when I was in around 2002 or something. So Ogilvy, the marketing company. So when everyone joins, and then I tell this story to a lot of my colleagues. So because I probably believe in it. So what they do is every time someone new joins, so they are gifted a series of Russian dolls. So in a Russian doll, when you open the bigger doll, you find a smaller one. But the smaller one, you find something even smaller, and so on. So basically, it's gifted as a reminder that if you start hiring people who are smaller than you, then you become a company of dwarfs. So therefore, every time you hire someone, you have to feel that I can learn something from this person, and then you have to be awed by that person. So therefore, if you are trying to create a resume, you have to work hard to be awe-inspiring. So, sorry.
Yeah, so I mean, Rajib, for sure, you are a tough nut to crack then in an interview. All right, great. So one was on the problem solving side, right? So when we have